Subscribe to Highest Good, where we tell you your future.
Hi Virgo, how have you been? On Monday, a few of you may have some health issues due to the change in the environment. Thus, stay cautious and take care of your health. Adequate rest and drinking fluids may be helpful and may bring relief much faster. If you have recently moved to a new place, it is very important to take care of your diet. Try to avoid unhealthy food. You are advised to intake nutritious food and juices. It will help you to maintain your health and boost your immunity. Also, it would be helpful if you include green vegetables in your diet so that you get sufficient nutrients. Do regular exercise and stay fit. For a few of you, wedding bells are ringing and you are about to get very lucky. A plethora of marriage proposals are foreseen coming your way on this day, full of special occasions as you turn up your charisma and sweep the enthralled opposite sex off your feet with your charm. You may end up spending quite a bit on fun and entertainment, but it's all for a good cause. All things will fall into place as per your planetary plans. Tuesday may bring many gifts and surprises in the realm of finance and business. You may try to enhance your knowledge and creative abilities. You are likely to bring some positive changes in your life. In this journey, you may get full support from your friends and family members. However, try not to be aggressive while communicating with your relatives. Be gentle with yourself as well as your family members. You may feel pressured and thus it may impact your relationship. Try to maintain a work-life balance. Also, it would be helpful if you go for a short vacation to spend some quality time with your family. It will make you feel fresh and motivated. Remember that you need to take some time out. Your confidence and determination will help boost your energy level and will motivate you to do better. There are chances of some disputes with your sibling. Try to avoid such disputes and ensure a better understanding of each other. It's important that you keep all your clashes aside and try to solve all the misunderstandings with the help of a clear communication. Wednesday may prove to be a challenging period for you as the period of introspection has already started in your life. For the past few months, you have been trying too hard to look at your gains and losses, but you have not been able to figure out the true reason behind your current situation. Hopefully, this time you are likely to get the clarity which will help you to overcome your challenges. However, it won't be easy for you to handle difficult situations, but with determination and hard work, you can overcome them. Additionally, take care of your emotions too. A short trip is foreseen for some of you. This will help you and give you peace of mind. Also, it may bring positivity as you will feel relaxed. You are likely to meet new people, have new experiences, and may also try different street food, so you are advised to take care of your health and be cautious. There are chances that you may suffer from sleep disorder due to stress and more work responsibilities. Consult an expert doctor and take the medications prescribed by him. Today, you are likely to focus on yourself and try to bring positive changes in you. You will work towards your goal and with more determination. Your confidence level is likely to boost and this may help you to solve your issues effectively. Also, you are advised to take care of your parents and elders in your family as chances are that they may have some health issues. Have their regular health checkup. It will help to get timely treatment. Try to avoid making decisions in haste. There are chances that some old issues may crop up. Try to deal with them with patience. If you are married and planning to raise your family, then this week is supportive. You may conceive a child that may make you feel proud of your decision. Again, if planning to visit a holy place, this week will be encouraging. Some unexpected expenses on religious and charity activities are foreseen. On Thursday, your planets may be in your favor and may enhance your love life. You may get many opportunities to spend quality time with your partner. Use them effectively and make your bond stronger. Your attractive personality may bring you the desired results as you will succeed in attracting the attention you seek. You may eagerly look forward to establishing a new relationship that may bring you a lot of happiness. If you find that someone special has entered your life, then spend as much time together as you can. If you are married and planning to conceive, you are likely to find this week really suitable and favorable. Besides, singles may meet someone really special during the first half of this week. You may even plan to settle down to marry at the earliest. Seek the blessings of your elders for this and live a happy life together. Friends in influential positions will be of much help today. You may plunge into a new business venture without much ado. Appreciation for your abilities and efforts will fly in thick and fast. Your reputation is skyrocketing among the opposite sex. Friday, it's a dream come true. You may utter these words in surprise today. Your palatial home is ready, or you may just get the keys of your much desired vehicle. You may have an extended celebration by receiving or giving gifts to your closed ones. Moreover, make sure you do not make a hole in your pocket. You are likely to grow slowly but steadily in work front with your sheer determination and discipline. You seem to take responsibilities and pour all your energies to achieve most of the task skillfully. You have the power to convince everyone in the team. Today you are going to operate exactly as per your basic nature when it comes to financial matters. Your financial decisions today will be based more on instincts rather than logical derivations. Things on the financial front look bleak, and this is all because of your extravagant nature. You shall spend money like water. If you don't control it, you will soon be in troubled waters. Saturday may bring average results for you, but as the week progresses, you may see positive changes happening in your life. In the beginning, there are chances that you may face many challenging situations and may not be able to take a wise decision. However, as you move ahead, there is likely to be slow and steady progress in all facets of your life. The challenges you may face may make you realize that the pain you get initially will turn out to be happy events with the help of your hard work and determination. Moreover, this week there are chances of some new connections. You may come across a new friend who will be interested in building your personal interest. They shall be a vital source of all forms of your learning and preparations. Further, as the week progresses, you may get special grace of divinity. Also, joyful and happy conditions may arise in your family and social circle. You may get good support from everyone as desired. The second half of the week is favorable for financial commercial development. There are high chances that you may go for a long distance trip, but results may not be encouraging. Expenses are likely to be high due to your trip. Additionally, this week you may get important teachings from a spiritual or noble person. You may get an appreciation for good work, and you may be admired by many because of your good work. However, there are also chances that some rumors against you may spread. Also, if you are looking for a new set of roles at your workplace, you may also get it in the organization. Work hard with determination and focus in order to get the desired results. Moreover, this week is favorable for marriage and relationships. Sunday is a great day for self-improvement and for positive changes in every aspect of your life. But you will be able to do it only if you put your mind and heart into it. You are advised not to depend entirely on your fate, as luck alone will not help you to achieve great things in life. This week, you may have many responsibilities which can be a bit stressful for you. However, there may also be benefits if you succeed in reaching the expectations of your managers and bosses. Additionally, you may get a lot of opportunities to uplift your career. There are chances that you may get success if you're in the field of politics. However, this month may not be favorable for investment. Try to avoid investing a huge amount into business, especially related to clothing and beauty products. There are chances that some arguments may take place between you and your mother due to an unfavorable planetary position. Hence, do not be aggressive while communicating and avoid unnecessary arguments with your mother. Your love life is likely to enhance. You may get many opportunities that will help you to get closer to your partner and make your relationship strong. Try to spend more quality time with your partner and understand each other in a better way. However, the atmosphere at home may not remain very cordial. At this time, you should maintain your calm and try to resolve the issues in the best possible ways. There are chances of foreign travel for a few of you. Do take all the necessary precautions that may enable you to enjoy the trip. Plan your expenses accordingly and avoid wasting money on unnecessary things.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.